How to enable or disable show suggestion strip for Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then in here, tap on general management. Next in here, you can tap on Gboard settings or you can tap on keyboard list and default. Then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on text correction. At the top here, tap on show suggestion strip. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This will display suggestion strip while typing. So here it is on the keyboard. This is the suggestion strip. So I can type in something. And here I got some suggestions that I can use if I turn off this strip here. So if I tap on the toggle button to switch it off, you can see that will remove the suggestion strip. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.